Astronomers just discovered 3 planets orbiting a rare double-sun system. Welcome to the system called TOI 2267. It's just 190 light-years away. Cosmically, that's our neighborhood. But here's where things get wild. These 2 stars orbit each other incredibly close, only 8 times the Earth-Sun distance apart. That's a tight, chaotic system where planets weren't supposed to survive. And yet, not 1, but 3 planets exist there. Even crazier, scientists observed them passing in front of both stars, a first-of-its-kind detection. This system is now the coldest and most compact binary system ever found to host planets, which means our theories about how planets form might be wrong. And with the James Webb Space Telescope, we might soon find out if these worlds are stable or something even stranger.